We're going to a shooting range.
We're going to a shooting range.
We'll be right back. So, we have our breakfast burritos. I'm with Austin.
I'm his cousin.
Yeah. And... We'll see you at the shooting range. We're at the shooting range and we're ready to shoot some guns. We're at the shooting range. We're ready to shoot some guns.
Pay attention.
Yeah. Go. Bye. We're at the shooting range.
We're at the shooting range and we're going to shoot some guns. We'll make more videos.
Okay. Bye. This is the AR. This is the AR. My dad is going to shoot it and I'm going to. I'm going to shoot a pistol. Goodbye. I'm going to shoot now.
No. Turn the brightness.
Ceasefire.
Austin is shooting now. He's going to shoot. He's going to aim. My dad's going to teach him right now, so get back to whatever he's going to shoot. Austin is going to shoot now. Oh, he saw it. Saw it. Cool. He's shooting, so bye. Thank you for watching the video.
Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.
Bye.